This can be, again, $125 per pen at the pharmacy.
For folks who have diabetes, many know the struggle of paying for insulin.
In the United States, there's 7 million people who need to take insulin, and 25% of those cannot afford the insulin that they need to manage their diabetes.
For Detroiter Raphael Wright, that stress hits close to home. As an entrepreneur, Wright says at first he didn't have health insurance. He says his out-of-pocket cost for insulin used to be around $300 a month.
It was a punch in the gut. Did not feel good. And then I'm on the fringe because now I'm worried about my lights being cut out. Need electricity to keep insulin cold.
Senator Debbie Stabenow says starting in January, the Inflation Reduction Act will help more than 3 million in the U.S. afford insulin.
If you receive your health care through Medicare, your insulin medicine will be capped, your cost, at $35 a month.
But Senate Republicans stripped a provision that would have capped the price of insulin in the private marketplace. That cap also doesn't apply to people who don't have health insurance.
I think we should have a $35 cap for all Americans because there are a lot of people who are uninsured. They make too much money to qualify for Medicaid and not enough money to buy private insurance. And then even if you have private insurance, your deductible could be $7,000.
Dr. Paul Thomas is the founder of Plum Health Direct Primary Care in Corktown. He says thanks to free samples, his patients don't pay for insulin. Dr. Thomas says his mission is to make health care accessible to everyone, especially diabetes patients. That's because he says the results are devastating for those who are priced out of insulin.
And they're going without because of that high cost. And essentially this leads to really bad outcomes. Diabetic retinopathy, which can cause blindness. Diabetes does damage to your blood vessels, which can lead to early heart attacks and strokes.
Dr. Thomas says diabetes is the #1 cause of amputations and blindness in the United States. He stresses that's another reason making insulin affordable for everyone is incredibly important. I'm Veronica Meadows, Fox 2 News.